I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 12 years now. And in these 12 years, I've seen a lot of people make a lot of mistakes. And in this video, I would be talking about the biggest mistake which a lot of people make. I call it the biggest mistake because correcting this mistake can cost you thousands of dollars and a lot of time as well. So make sure you don't make this mistake. A lot of people come to us saying that they want to set up a branch office in Dubai. But is setting up a branch office the right form of an entity setup? Well, in most cases, it is not. Why do I say that? Because a branch does not have a separate legal existence. What I mean by a separate legal existence is that if tomorrow there's any litigation, then the assets of the India company get involved. So if tomorrow there's any litigation, then the case cannot happen on your Dubai branch because it does not have a separate legal existence. It will happen on the India company and the assets of the India company gets involved. So if you want to safeguard the assets of the India company or your parent company wherever it is located, then it is advisable to set up a subsidiary office as compared to a branch office. The second point is that in case of a branch office, you don't get the benefits of a lower tax which is prevalent in Dubai. So a lot of people set up in Dubai, why to take the benefits of low tax? But in case of a branch office, are you getting that benefit? Well, the answer is no. In case of a branch office, what happens is that the profits of the branch office gets merged with your parent company, which could be in India or which could be anywhere else. So as the profits are getting merged, you will have to pay tax on the profits that you've made in the home country. So you're not able to take the benefits of a lower tax regime. Therefore, it is advisable to set it up as a subsidiary because a subsidiary can get the benefits of a low tax regime and the profits of the subsidiary company in Dubai would not be getting merged with the profits of the parent company, which could be in India or which could be in any other place. The third important benefit is if tomorrow you want to sell the operations of the Dubai company, then if it is established as a subsidiary office, it is easy to sell the operations as compared to a branch office, wherein selling the operations only of the Dubai company is a bit difficult. It is for these reasons that by default, we don't recommend a branch office. By default, we either recommend a subsidiary company or an individual company. What happens in case of a subsidiary company is that there's an Indian company or there's a parent company and the parent company owns the Dubai company. In case of an individual, what happens is there's an individual and he owns the Dubai company. By doing this, you're able to create a separate legal existence, you're able to safeguard the assets of the Dubai company, and you're also able to get the benefits of the low tax regime. The difference between a subsidiary company and an individual company is that in case of a subsidiary company, you are not the owner of the Dubai company. So you own the Indian company and the Indian company owns the Dubai company. However, in case of an individual setup, what happens is you own the India company and you also own the Dubai company. So an individual shareholding method is easy to set up and is a simple method as compared to a subsidiary form of a structure which is complicated. In fact, in my case, what I've done is, so I have a company in US, I have a company in Singapore, I have a company in India and I have a company in Dubai. And I've kept all these companies as separate. So all these companies are on the individual name of me and my partners. And the benefit we derive by doing this is that we can start or stop the operations at any point of time of any of these companies in any of these countries without impacting the other company in the other country. This form of a setup is usually recommended if the number of shareholders are low. However, if the number of shareholders are high, or if you intend to take VC funding, or if you intend to come out with an IPO, then a subsidiary structure is the one that is recommended for you. A branch office is recommended only in 10% of the cases. In 90% of the cases, it is the subsidiary or the individual structure only. In the coming months, I will be doing more videos and try to explain in which cases the branch office makes sense. So if you're planning to set up globally, if you're planning to expand globally, especially in places like Dubai, do subscribe to my channel and I will be sharing with you a ton of information in the coming few months. Thank you.